This is a 2005 Chevrolet Avalanche. Its top features and packages include a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, a rear window defroster, a premium sound system, a bed liner, fog lamps, traction control, an anti-lock braking system, a keyless entry system, and this vehicle has less than 37,000 miles. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this automobile in person.
Vandergriff Chevrolet, the Metroplex's volume leader, is located at 1200 Interstate 20 West, Arlington, Texas, just across from the Parks Mall in South Arlington.